next we are going to study about Visual Basic operators. Visual Basic operators. In Visual Basic, it has a different types of operators. So in this first we are going to study about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. So we have a different arithmetic operators in Visual Basic. So first one is that is cap symbol. This is nothing but exponentiation. Exponentiation. And next star. It is a multiplication. Star, that is multiplication. Next slash, that is division. Division. And next we have one more slash here, that is front slash. So this is nothing but integer division. Integer division. Integer division. Then mod. You have to write MOD. M is capital here. This is nothing but modulus. Modulus. Then plus is nothing but addition. Addition. And next minus is nothing but subtraction. So these are the arithmetic operators we have in Visual Basic. Those are nothing but exponentiation, multiplication, division, integer division, modulus, and what? Addition and subtraction. And next we have assignment operators. Assignment operators. Like C programming, in VB.NET also, a single equal to is a assignment operator. Single equal to is a what? Assignment operator. And we have different shorthand notations of assignment operator. If I write like this, it is exponentiation. Exponentiation followed by assignment. Exponentiation followed by assignment. And if I write star is equal to, it is multiplication followed by assignment. Multiplication followed by assignment. And next I can write what? Division is equal to, that is division followed by assignment. And next integer division is equal to, this is nothing but integer division followed by assignment. And next plus is equal to, this is addition followed by assignment. And next minus is equal to, this is subtraction followed by assignment. And ampersand is equal to, ampersand is a concatenation symbol, string operations ali. This is nothing but concatenation followed by assignment. Concatenation followed by assignment. So these are the different assignment operators we have in what? VB.NET. And next we have some of the comparison operators. Comparison operators, or those are also called as what? Relational operators. You studied in CE, right? Relational operators, which are those less than, greater than, less than or equal to. So here it is called as comparison operator, or else it is also called as what? Relational operators. Comparison operators. So this first one is less than. Less than. It is true if the operand 1 is less than operand 2. Next, less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Next, greater than. Greater than. Next, greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Next, equal to. Equal to. Next, not equal to. You have to write an angle bracket for not equal to symbol. Not equal to, next we have one more operator, is, I is capital here. Is anta helidre it returns true if two object references refer to the same object is anta helidre it returns true if two object references refer to the what same object. And we have one more operator, that is like. L is capital here, performs string pattern matching. Pattern matching ali we can use what, like operator. Perform string pattern matching. So these are the different comparison operators we have, which are those less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, is and like. And next we have a string concatenation operators. String concatenation operators. So that is, one is and symbol and another one is plus. So these two both are used for what? String concatenation. And next we have a logical or bitwise operators. Logical or bitwise operators. Bitwise means what? Working bit by bit with numerical values. And these types of operators can work on logical values also, that is either true or false, like that. So in this we have different operators. One is a and, and. So this is an and operation. A is capital here, it performs an and operation ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. and operation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು, ಟ್ರೂ ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೂ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್, NOT, N is capital here. It reverses the logical value of its operand from true to false and false to true. Not of true is false and not of false is what, true. And we have or, O is capital here, or. It performs an or operation. For logical operations, true if either of operand is true. or ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದರ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ XOR. XOR ಅಲ್ಲಿ X is capital, XOR. ಇಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ or operation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂ ಯಾವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಐದರ್ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೂ. ಟ್ರೂ XOR ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ XOR ಟ್ರೂ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ XOR ಟ್ರೂ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ XOR ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. It means that true if either operand is true, otherwise false. That is nothing but what, XOR operation anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. True if either operand but not both is true, that is nothing but XOR. And we have one more, that is nothing but and also. Here operator A short circuited and operator. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟ್ರೂ. ನನಗೆ ಟ್ರೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಆಪರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಏನೋ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಏನೋ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ If the first operand is false, it does not check with the second operation. Directly it will result in false. Because and ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡೇ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ವಾಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. And we have another one that is nothing but or else. Or else, O and E are capital here. It is nothing but short circuited or operator. Short circuited or operator andre or operator yav ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, true or true is nothing but what, true. Then true or false is true. Then true or false or true is nothing but true. False or false is nothing but false. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಆರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡೇ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಒಂದು ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದರೂ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. Short circuited or operator. And next we have other two operators. Those are nothing but other two miscellaneous operators. So one is address of and another one is get type. Address of and get type. Address of anta helidre it gets the address of a procedure. Gets the address of a procedure. Get type ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ gets information about a type. Gets information about a type. Address of ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ gets the address of a procedure. Get type ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ gets information about a type. So these are the different visual basic operators we have in, that is different visual basic operators. So which are those? Arithmetic operators. In that we have exponentiation, multiplication, division, integer division, modulus, addition, subtraction. Then in assignment operator, assignment, then exponentiation followed by assignment, multiplication followed by assignment, then division followed by assignment, integer division followed by assignment, then addition followed by assignment, then subtraction and concatenation followed by what? Assignment. And next we have a comparison operators, which are those less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, then is, like. Then we have a string concatenation operation, that is ampersand and plus. Then we have a logical and bitwise operators, which are those and, not, or, XOR, and also, or else. Then we have two other miscellaneous operators, which are those address of and get type. Thank you.